Well, good morning, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We are on May 15th, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. And like a freight train, these CMEs are coming. They're going to hit us hard. You know how much I love trains, and you know how much I love space weather. Let's start out looking at our sun. Well, CMEs are on their way right now, just watching the first sunspot to get ready to leave Earth facing, and the large one is leaving as well. Both of them have been very active as we've been following this last week. Just a little closer look here. Couldn't believe that filament destabilization yesterday. It was quite an image to see. And have a look here, 193 angstroms. And you could see the bottom left corner there. There was a solar plasma tornado that ripped away from the bottom of the sun. In the 304 angstroms, you could see it as well. It did affect the corona. But I want to give a special thanks to Solar Dynamics Observatory for producing these images and making them free for everybody to share. And as well, I want to thank all of my subscribers from around the world. Yesterday, I got almost 100 new subscribers. So please, keep on sharing and caring. Let's look at our Emerald Spiral. You can see that large CME is heading our way. We are that little yellow dot. And we can expect this solar storm to really mess with our magnetic field. Indeed. So please stay aware and prepared. 19th to the 20th is going to be the big days for some big events. Let's look at the last 24 hours for earthquakes. Most recent 5.1 here in Yemen at a 10-kilometer depth. South America, we had that 5.0 in the East Chile Rise, Easter Island, 4.4 in Chile, there's 4.5 in Nicaragua. Still watching earthquake swarm in the Caribbean, largest being a 3.3 Dominican Republic today. 4.9 yesterday in Soroco, Mexico. And then we had these couple earthquakes here in Oklahoma, the United States, 2.5 and a 2.8. And moving west in Idaho, a couple 2.8s. 3.2 here in Haines Junction, Canada. Things had quieted down in Alaska overnight. It seems all the action is over here now. Last night we had the 5.7 in Shikotan, Russia. And then all of these earthquakes today in Japan. 4.7, 5.4 to 35 kilometer depth. 4.2 and a 4.6. This is all today. And this was my warned region for a large earthquake. So when we get this many earthquakes, you can kind of say that it's released some pressure. So we may not see that large earthquake today now with all those earthquakes. Fiji region, Papua New Guinea receiving aftershocks after that large 7.5 yesterday. As well, Greece. They've been seeing constant earthquakes in this region. Let's look at the last 7 days for earthquakes from around the world. And let's just make sure that we have all the magnitudes in here. All recorded earthquakes the last 7 days. This is it. It has been pretty quiet, but the last couple days it started to ramp up. So watch for these numbers to increase over the next few days. You can see here, earthquake swarm, Dominican Republic. Alaska. Stay aware and prepared. These regions. Well, let's get to weather here. Brought to you by Meteor-Earth and Meteo Mike. This is the 5-day forecast. United States will be seeing an extreme weather event later in the week as that large low pressure system comes in from the Pacific and the Sierra Nevadas, and then couples with some really warm Gulf moisture. So we're talking Saturday through Monday, this coming weekend. We're going to be watching a large extreme weather event throughout the United States. I'm talking tornadoes, probably record lightning strikes. BC is still seeing low pressure systems being pushed into the west coast. So moisture is definitely coming to British Columbia. Watching this large low pressure system scoot across the Pacific by that large high pressure literally takes 3 days, not even 3 days, to move across the Pacific Ocean. That's a quick storm. Over top Russia, still seeing a lot of very cold temperatures as they had a lot of snowpack last winter. And I think that's why we've got all of these cold temperatures sticking around across the northern hemisphere. Parts of Europe, seeing some spring weather. These May showers bring June flowers, I guess, is the new saying. Used to be April showers bring May flowers. Across South America, still watching mass evaporation. Still no Atlantic storm yet. Hurricanes I'm talking about. But stay aware and prepared. Please share this channel across your platforms. I want to thank you all for watching today. Stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family across the world.